For this business, probably the biggest thing is my customers are not just a number. We want them to feel good and comfortable about what they're purchasing, what they're paying for. Anything we can do to answer all the questions, that's what we want to do. We offer all kinds of service. We can do anything from your standard oil changes and tires, engine replacements, transmission replacements, brakes, suspensions, the whole 9 yards. We even have a classic car division, which a lot of places don't have, where me and one of my other guys, we tag team and we work on just your classic cars. That's a phase that a lot of businesses are phasing out because it takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of specialty in order to do that.
The biggest thing that I think we like to focus on is taking care of the customer, giving it a safe place to come into. They feel welcomed, where they don't feel they're going to be taken advantage of. It's, you get the aspect of it's family owned and operated. You're not going into a corporate store. So understanding that you're going to get good advice and good recommendations, and then you're going to get quality work.
Community service has obviously always been important to me. Every time I'm conversing with a customer, I'm really trying to think of them not just as somebody that is walking in the door. I think of them as somebody, a part of my community that I need to try and help.
We don't have to be that small mentality shop. We can give you big time service in a small town, and that's what we strive to do.